Hello and welcome to July.
We are about ready to drop a brand new collection, and this one I am so excited because we're taking a craft journey. We're going to go on a little trip to the jungle safari. So here we are.
Yes, and look at all these beautiful colors we have here on our table. And for our first project, we're starting with our felt stuffy of the month, and this is a new elephant. This is updated by Krista, and just look at those adorable little feet details. So cute.
Yeah, it's actually, I would say it's not an update. This is a brand new one, and we do have another cute little elephant that's a bit older, and it looks a little more cartoon, where this is real, and it looks right on point with the rest of our safari collection, which we'll show you in a minute. Another cute craft that we have going on, and I seriously want these for me, are these little wall art pieces. We have the giraffe and the lion, and so cute.
And this is made with felt and yarn for the little pom-poms and the mane.
Yeah, and I think, these are made smaller. You could make them larger if you wanted to.
A whole mask.
You could. They're so cute. All right, our third project that's made out of felt is actually these felt proteas, and I know it's hard to believe that these are felt, but they are. And the detail on this is incredible. Look at the insides where it has this gradation.
She used pan pastel for that.
She did. So pan pastel on felt, that's another fun thing that we started to do.
And here you can actually see our whole jungle safari collection of animals, and we have the tiger.
Okay, hold on. The
leopard.
tiger is actually visiting from Southeast Asia.
Oh yeah, he's visiting. Just saying hello.
Just saying hello. Yeah, he doesn't really belong in the safari, but go on.
So you got to see all of those stuffies, and I think they're just so cute all together with our new elephant friend.
Actually, can you bring that picture back, Matthew? There we go. All right, let's see. We have the leopard,
Lion.
two lions, lion mama and papa. The elephant just fits right in, baby elephant,
And the giraffe.
and our zebra.
Yes, it's perfect.
Matthew just laughed at me. Okay. I don't know why I said it that way. All right. And then we have more fiber projects that we wanted to show off. This is a wool felt wreath that just reminds me of a lion's mane. It's macrame cord and roving wool.
This is roving wool. So if you have any roving wool that you've been wanting to use, this would be a great opportunity. And this is a really easy beginner project.
It is. I can see using that, maybe put a mirror inside and put it in a children's room with these cute little guys. Such on theme.
And next up we have these woven baskets, and this is made from cardstock and macrame cord, but you could use any material for the base, such as leather. You made a leather one.
I did
you?
make a leather one, and it's so fun. This is also a really great project for beginning weaving. I think a child could make these really easily because it's just back and forth, and we have the whole instructions on how to do that. Okay, another macrame project is this pretty little wall hanging. I love the bead accents and then these little loops. Again, it's just kind of on theme.
Yes, I think this turned out so cool. I love how these little holes here. So neat.
Yes.
But my favorite project of the month,
I think it's everyone's favorite project,
are these climbing monkeys that Krista made. These are based off of the Monkey in the Barrel game, and we have them here hanging on our plant. And look how cute they are, just hanging on, and they interlock with each other. You can play with them, and if they all go missing, we know where they went.
Yes, that would be your house, right? Okay. Another fun project that we have are these cute little, cute little bugs that are made out of layered paper.
Yeah, what's a safari without the bugs?
Right? But these are very cute bugs.
They are cute, and they are articulated. So the little wings open, or we have this guy who has pinchy little, what are these called? Grippers?
Yeah, little pinchers.
Pinchers. Pinchy grippers.
Yeah, fun to make. Little. You can cut them out on your cutting machine or cut them by hand. All right, another fun paper project that we have is another one of our layered art pieces that Emily does her watercolor with.
We're adding it to our collection of our watercolor art, and I think it is just so beautiful. You can see those details in there.
There we go. And we're heading to the jungle on this one because it's a bit more tropical. And I love having that infusion.
And I did quite a lot of detail work on this one. From the feedback that I got last time from designing this is that you guys enjoy that detail. So I went a little crazy, and I hope you enjoy that project.
You'll need your needle nose tweezers.
You'll definitely need your tweezers.
Yeah. And one of my favorites for this month are these gorgeous palm fans. Fan palms, there we go. Saying them right. They can be made in several different sizes. I actually used them in this arrangement here on the table, but I think that they look so pretty just put in a vase. Yeah.
Or if you made them really big and you could just hang them on a wall.
You could. And also these are great for like party decor, anything like
Probably
that. Or
come together pretty quick. Yeah, just ready
use them for a fan.
for the safari. And our last project, which is, not our last fiber project, which is a great project for kiddos. And these are the no-sew safari animal finger puppets. And we have a collection of 5 here. And this was a revamp of an old project, and I went ahead and made these with just glue, so any little kid could make these with some help, and I think they turned out so cute. My favorite is the ring-tailed lemur.
Yeah, that was the most complicated too. It has the most parts and pieces. All right, we're going to jump over to our paper flowers, even though we've shown off, well, we haven't shown off, well, the palms are kind of paper flowers. And I put them all in an arrangement this time, and I also added the felt into the arrangement. But the first one we'll talk about is this pincushion protea, which is incredibly detailed. Each one of these pincushions is actually a wire. I think that they are time consuming, but worth making if you're planning to make some tropical or even safari-like arrangements.
Yes, and they have a lot of visual punch. When you look at these, you're just like, oh, the detail is incredible.
Yeah.
Yes, and then next up we have what our monkeys are hanging on to here. This is a cardstock palm, and I think it's a parlor palm.
Yes, it is a parlor palm.
A cardstock parlor palm. You can actually keep this one alive.
Because most of them are hard to keep
They're
alive.
so hard to keep alive. And I think this looks so real.
It does look real. And the detail on this, even though it's cardstock, so it's actually quite easy. You just cut it on your cutting machine. But the detail of the coloring around the base, it just does look real.
It looks real.
Emily
you could
pointed
cut this
out,
by hand too.
You could. Emily pointed out that this was our featured prop in our whole photo shoot. So when you see the whole collection and you're looking at the photos, you'll have to find how many times we used the palm in the photo. I love it. All right, the next flower that we have is the lucidendron, and this is, oh my goodness, it's incredibly detailed. This looks real to me. I have used lucidendron many times in their fresh form. And when I saw these complete, I can hardly tell the difference.
And they just look incredible. I love the colors that she used. There's just such a beautiful gradient to them, and they look like they'd be not too difficult.
No.
This would be a nice, like, intermediate paper flower.
Yeah, I think so, definitely. And then the last flower on our list is the one we're making for Member Make, and that would be, I'm going to say the technical name, it's Anacelia africana, which is the leopard orchid. And this one is going to be our Member Make. It's a lot of detail painted on the flowers, which it's something new for us. We haven't done a lot of markers on them. We have done some, but not to this level.
Yes, and so you actually did all of this with water-based markers.
I did.
And all the tools and materials are listed as usual, of course, so you can go ahead and get this all kind of set up before we do our Member Make, which is going to be on July 19th.
Yes.
And it's actually going to be us two together doing this, so we'll get to play around with that. And I haven't made a paper flower in a while.
You haven't. This will be fun because it's right up your alley. Painting petals.
Yes.
Yes. So just a note for those of you who will be making this with us. I did put in a cutting guide because we will color all of our paper with the paper on the mat if you're cutting it by hand. So you do not take any of the paper off.
If you're cutting it on the cutting
machine. If you're cutting it on the cutting machine. Once you cut, leave it on, and then I'll teach you how to paint it. So that is it for our safari.
I don't know about you, but I'm feeling like I'm ready for a vacation.
I know.
A little safari.
Yes, that's why Megan won't be there, because she will be on vacation.
She is on vacation. But I'm excited to get back in and make some paper flowers with you.
Yeah. So we will see you then, July 19th, and we'll see you all next month for a new collection.
Bye.